the upper body. If you're comfortable here, you can also bring your chin down towards the mat, bring the gaze towards the hands, so whatever works best for you. Taking a full round of breath in your puppy. Breathing into the belly, finding that space across triceps, across your chest. So you next inhale, lifting your gaze, slowly finding that cat spine, curling it all the way up. We're going to release the hips to come all the way down to the mat. Elbows are underneath the shoulders, so rippling forward, pressing into forearms, pressing into your hand. We lift the chest up, Sphinx pose. Squeeze your glutes to protect your lower back. Inhaling. As you exhale, slowly allow your upper body to melt towards the mat. We're lying flat on the mat. Gently, you can turn around here, finding to slowly roll onto your back. Just making your way there, readjusting so that you're back onto your mat. And then we're going to send the legs all the way up, finding our waterfall. You can reach your arms out in a capital T or above your head, just reaching here into the feet. If you want to play maybe with pointing and flexing the toes, or taking some little circles in your ankles. Going for one more inhale, and as you exhale, slowly open up your knees, coming towards your armpits, grabbing the insides of the feet. We're coming to our happy baby. You can sway from side to side here. Maybe playing with straightening one leg and then the other. And then starting to slow down the breath, bringing your mind back to that breath, to that intention that you set at the beginning of your practice. And then slowly bring your knees back to center. Give yourself a little hug, just rocking from side to side. If you'd like to take a Savasana here, you can take one. Maybe pause the video and take one here. If you'd like to keep this practice short and sweet, then you can join me in slowly starting to rock backwards and forwards. Finding here a little massage along the spine as you slowly come all the way up to sit, reaching the crown of your head towards the top of the mat, finding cross-legged seats. And rest your hands here across your knees, hands facing upwards. Just take a few moments to connect and tune into your breath. Closing the eyes, finding that softness after building that strength.